Start with a magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets into the circle. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next on, chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. That's the first stitch. And 1 front post double crochet into the same stitch. This is the chain 2 and this is the double crochet. Yarn over. This is the chain 2 and this is the double crochet. Insert hook into both the stitches. Pull up a loop. That's 1 front post double crochet. That's 2 stitches into the first stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And 1 front post double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over. Insert hook into the front post and pull up a loop. That's 2 stitches in the same stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. 1 double crochet, and 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch. 1 double crochet, 1 front post double crochet. Now continue with the stitches. Once you're done, make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Total, you should have 24 stitches. Next round, chain 5 and 1 front post single crochet into this front post double crochet. This is the front post double crochet. Make 1 front post single crochet. Insert hook into the front post. Chain 5. Skip the double crochet and 1 front post single crochet into the front post double crochet. Repeat this in rest of the stitches. Chain 5. Skip the double crochet and 1 front post single crochet into the front post double crochet. Continue with the stitches. Total, you should have 12 chain spaces. Next round, slip stitch into the first chain space. 4 single crochets. Chain 3 picot. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. Insert hook into both the loops and make a slip stitch. Chain 5 picot. Chain 5 and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch into both the loops. Chain 3 picot. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. That should look. 3 single crochets into the same stitch. Into the next chain space, make a slip stitch. This is one repeat done. 4 single crochets into the next chain space. Chain 3 picot, chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. Insert it into both the loop. Make a slip stitch. Chain 5 picot, chain 5 and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. Chain 3 picot, chain 3 and a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. 3 single crochets into the same space and 1 slip stitch into the next chain space. As the second repeat done. Now continue this in rest of the stitches. 4 single crochets, chain 3 picot, chain 5 picot, chain 3 picot, three single crochets into the next chain space. Make a slip stitch. Make the last slip stitch, and to finish off, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.